Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video, we will see how we can change the dock size on macOS Big Sur. So the Big Sur update is here. We have updated our system. If you want to update from macOS Catalina to macOS Big Sur, refer the link in the description of this video. So guys, let's now begin with changing the dock size. Here you can see the dock is visible. Let us see how to change the size. It's very easy. Go to the Apple sign, click on System Preferences. On clicking, the dock and menu bar is visible. Click on it. Herein you can see under dock, you can see the size is currently large. Let us decrease it. Now the dock size will be small. You can see here, it's very small. You can keep it here or you can change it here if you want. With this setting, you can also change the position. That is, it is right now on the bottom dock. Change it to left or you can change it to right. I'll keep it bottom only. If you want to automatically hide the dock and you want to show it only when we keep the cursor, just select this option, automatically hide and show the dock. Now it will hide. You can see it's hidden now. When I'll keep the cursor, it will be visible. You can see it is visible now. Let's keep it the same. And let us change the size again. I guess this looks fine. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily change the dock size, how we can position the dock, how we can automatically hide and show the dock on keeping the mouse cursor on macOS Big Sur. So guys, if you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.